am Alvin Winnie. You are watching Saiban News HD. Now adding important news.
Now adding news from United Kingdom as per our Bureau Chief Europe Chaudhry Wasim Ahmed. A prestigious charity dinner and Qawwali evening in support of Al Mustafa Trust was hosted by Raja Sikandar Khan, Chairman, and Kala Khan, President of Global Park Kashmir Supreme Council at the Royal Nawab, West London. The event attracted guests from across the United Kingdom, representing diverse communities and professions. The evening successfully raised significant funds. The Al Mustafa Trust is one of the Pakistan's largest private sector providers of free basic healthcare, serving more than 18 million patients through a network of over 110 medical facilities, including hospitals, medical centers, dispensaries, and mobile clinics, reaching remote communities across the country. The ceremony commenced with Chairman Raja Sikandar Khan welcoming the guests and reciting verses from the Holy Quran, followed by beautiful rendition of Naat Sharif. Raja Sikandar Khan then invited renowned presenter and radio host Rocky Khan to conduct the remainder of the program. Rocky Khan welcomed Lieutenant General retired Muhammad Mustafa Khan, Chairman of Al Mustafa Trust, who delivered an informative presentation highlighting the Trust's achievements and humanitarian impact. The presentation was accompanied by the multimedia showcase demonstrating the Trust's extensive humanitarian work and accomplishments. Following the presentation, Rocky Khan led a successfully fundraising appeal, during which guests donated generously in support of the Trust's life-changing projects. In recognition of the generous support received, Lieutenant General retired Muhammad Mustafa Khan, together with host Raja Sikandar Khan and Kala Khan, presented certificates of appreciation to the sponsor whose contribution helped make the charity event a great success. Guests were then served lavish dinner before enjoying an outstanding Qawwali performance by internationally acclaimed classical vocalist Faizan Ali Khan, who belongs to Pakistani legendary Sham Churasi Gharana. The son of renowned classical maestro Ustad Shafqat Ali Khan and grandson of the legendary Ustad Salamat Ali Khan, Faizan Ali Khan captivated the audience with a spiritually uplifting performance, opening with the iconic Qawwali, Allahu Allahu. The evening concluded with the President Kala Khan, representing the Global Park Kashmir Supreme Council, expressing his heartfelt gratitude to all the distinguished guests, sponsors, donors, volunteers, and supporters for their generous participation and unwavering commitment to humanitarian causes.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel and like the video.